What's good, people? This video is an intro video for all investors and anybody who is not investing yet and is like, man, you know what, investing's dumb. I don't know why I do that. I have a savings, and you believe in saving money. This video is for you. So if you know somebody like that, send this video to them. Make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is Robert Kiyosaki showing you and telling you exactly how the bank does your money, why you need to be investing your money. And of course, I'm not your financial advisor, but what I'm doing is just giving you some insight. So what we're going to be doing is every other day, we're going to be breaking down different topics that have to do with mindset, money, networking, all of the above. And we're going to tap into those things the same way we do on TikTok. As you see on the screen, we're running amok over there. And yes, I did say his name wrong. It is Robert Kiyosaki. And you know, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, yeah, that's the author of that. If you don't know who Robert Kiyosaki is, he's an American entrepreneur, businessman, author. He's the founder of Rich Global LLC, Rich Dad Company. That's just a private financial education company that provides personal finance and business education through books and videos. So all of you people who want to know about finance, this is the guy who talks about it. He is one of the leaders of it. My OG is 75 years old, pushing 80, but still looking like a legend. So we're going to dive into this video. He's going to talk to you about what's going on with money because, oh yeah, he is worth over $100 million. So let's hear what he has to say. Subscribe to the channel and let's get it started.
Do you know why they tell you to save money?
I don't know.
Because the system of banking, it's the banks run the world. The rich run the world. So let's say you save $1 US or €1, 1 yen. The banking system can lend out 10. So the entire system is called the fractional reserve system. The fractional reserve system is also printing money. And then they tell you to save money. So they want you to save money so they can lend out your money 10 times. So your dollar became worthless 10 times over. And then they used to pay you 10% interest on your money. Now it's at best 1%. And they're still lending it out 10 times. So that's why you don't save money, is because your money is becoming worth less and less and less and less and less. The banks are getting richer and richer and richer. Then they tax you on that interest they pay you, that 1% interest if they pay you that much. Now, if I borrow money, guess what? Do I pay taxes on debt?
I guess no.
This is what I'm saying. Question everything.
Okay.
So when they lend out money, that's how money is created. Money is debt.
So after watching that video, you see right there, by putting your money in a traditional bank account, what everybody is so used to doing, if you're from the hood, you like to put it in shoe boxes, under the mattress, wherever you like to put it. If you're putting it in these places, you got to realize that it's not generating shit. There's a reason that you're talking about 90+% of all the wealth is controlled by less than 5% of the population. You can look all this information up. There's a reason that every person in the Western nations goes to school, and I believe it's actually against the law to not go to school of some sort, and they don't teach anyone about financial literacy. Why do you think that is? There's a reason for that. So instead of putting your money into the savings, you have to look at investing of any kind as a tool. I like to, over here on this channel, we invest in stocks, as you see, because them stocks are different tools. They are companies, they are vessels that are going to bring our money back. Over here, we like to talk about making our money have friends. I like when my money makes friends and brings some shit back and bring some friends back to the crib. So investing in the stock market is just one form or tool that can help you gain your money. Some people like to do real estate. People like to do REITs. Some people like to invest in trading cards, gold, materials, whatever the thing is. Pick the tool wisely and start reading into the industry, because you got to invest your way to freedom. You can't save your way to freedom if you make barely any money. We know that we know that 65% of the nation is living paycheck to paycheck. So we have to be realistic with our goals. And as Robert tells you right here.
So let's say you save $1 US or €1, 1 yen. The banking system can lend out 10. So the entire system is called the fractional reserve system. The fractional reserve system is also printing money. And then they tell you to save money. So they want you to save money so they can lend out your money 10 times.
They are investing your money 10 times while you do nothing. So the whole time while you're buying Netflix, Xbox, y'all own Xbox and a Windows computer but have no stock in Microsoft. And Microsoft is winning everything. Thin-lipped Bill Gates owns 50% of all the farmland in the nation. And meanwhile, you have no Microsoft stock. You have to pay attention to what the rich and wealthy people do, not what they say. And this is just another tool on why you need to invest your money, because the bank is doing it. If everybody in the nation went to go take $20, $100 from the bank at once, they couldn't do it because they don't have your money. They're lending it out to other people. And there's even been times that Warren Buffett had to loan banks money or financial institutions money. I'm learning that this is all one big scam, one big matrix, you feel me? And if you didn't know, 20% of the money that exists now was created during 2020. Something called M2 creates and prints money whenever they want. So shout out to Robert for the video. I pray y'all like these kind of videos. We are going to be doing videos like these every other day. Make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. This is Why You Should Invest Your Money with Robert Kiyosaki and your boy The Session. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.